Hello, chemistry students. This is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you a trick for remembering some of your polyatomic ions. This is something that one of my former students showed me one year, and I've been using it ever since. I think it's pretty helpful for remembering these things. So here's the sentence that we're going to focus on. Nick the Camel ate a clam supper in Phoenix. I've seen some variations of this, in some cases making it even a little bit longer to get some more polyatomics. But here are the 5 polyatomics I'm interested in. And what you're going to notice is that Nick is going to somehow tell us about this nitrate ion. Camel is going to give us carbonate, and so on. And so let's look at how this works. In the sentence, the things that I've written in blue are there because they're important to getting these ions. These few words that I've written in red, they really are just there to make the sentence, but you don't need to worry about those. So we're very focused when we look at any given word here, we're very focused on the number of consonants it has and the number of vowels that it has. And so the way that this is going to work is the number of consonants, so the N, the C, and the K in this case, so 1, 2, 3, is going to tell us how many oxygens we have. That's going to be true for all of these words. So I see 3 consonants, I'm going to get 3 oxygens. I see 1 vowel. That's going to tell me the number of negative charges that are on this polyatomic. And then the first letter is going to clue us into which ion we're talking about based on symbols in the periodic table. I'm going to jump over here and notice the Cl of clam is important for the full chlorine. But let's do these one at a time here. So we already did this one. This is going to give us nitrate. All of these 5 ions I'm showing are going to end with the ATE ending. And so this is going to help us understand how to generate the 8 polyatomic ion. And then I'm going to have a separate, very short video right at the end of this that I'll try to link to, where you are going to be able to do a separate pattern on how you get from 8 to an ITE, or perhaps a hypochlorite type of ion. So we'll do that elsewhere. All right, let's go to camel. So you can see camel, C for carbon. So this is going to give me my carbonate, and I see 1, 2, 3 consonants. That's going to have my 3 oxygens to give me the 8. And then I see 2 vowels, so that's why it's a -2. Clam. We already looked at how the Cl is needed for the chlorine that's associated with the chlorate ion. Again, always ATE. So I have 1, 2, 3 consonants, 3 oxygens. I only have 1 vowel, and so I only have a -1 charge there. Okay, supper is going to give me sulfate. So I have my S for supper, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. That's why we're going to have 4 oxygens in the sulfate. And then I see 2 vowels. That's my -2. And last, of course, we have Phoenix. And so it's PO4, 3 minus. And of course, you'll see the P here for the phosphorus. Pardon me. And you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. And then you have 1, 2, 3 vowels for the 3 minus. So, truth be told, my biggest challenge, if I'm using that to remember phosphate, is trying to remember how to spell phosphate. But hopefully that helps you get at least these 5. These are all the 8 endings. And like I said, different short video is going to show us how to get the ite endings and whatnot. All right, hopefully that helped.